Excel on the screen here to point out some similarities both in DESTINI Estimator and also in DESTINI Data Manager. In Excel, these are considered column headers, A, B, C, D. And you can always right mouse button click to get a context menu to do things with that specific column. Delete it, insert a new column, things like that. The same thing is on the far left side, which is the row header. So row 1, row 2, row 3, things like that. Right mouse button click, we have a context menu as well. A couple of other cool little tips here. When you select on, say, for example, row 1, by pressing Control A, that's Control Alpha, that selects the entire worksheet. The same thing would happen if I was to select on, say, column A, Control A, I select the entire worksheet as well. Now here's a cool one that is sometimes a little overlooked, but up in the top left corner by A in 1, there is a little arrow pointing in, and if you just click on that button, that acts just like a Control A, where you select the entire worksheet.